Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeads.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the popular Tila beads and how to use them. These are square shaped 2-hole glass beads that are just so trendy and so stylish in jewelry designs. So let's take a look at what they look like and how to use them in your DIY jewelry. Miyuki Tila beads are 2-hole square glass beads, and they're really great for bead weaving and stringing. And we also have Miyuki half Tila beads, which are also 2-hole but a half size of the regular Tila bead, so it's a little rectangle shape, and they line up really nicely together in jewelry designs. And there's lots of different ways you can use these cute little beads. Tilas and half tilas are so trendy on little stacking cord bracelets. I finished this one just with a sliding knot closure, and I even added in some demi-round seed beads and used some really fun summer colors. You could make so many of these and stack them up and wear them everywhere. They also look really good in leather wrap bracelets. This bracelet features a row of 3 Tila beads stacked all together, wrapped between 2 strands of leather, and it makes this really cool, like almost mosaic look. And these beads are really smooth and uniform, so it feels really nice too. They're really great and unique stringing projects. I used the Tila beads here with some crystal beads and more demi-round spacer beads. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 strands, and they are all connected together thanks to the Tila beads. Tilas and half tilas are also a great choice for bead weaving. This is a flat herringbone stitch that incorporates those half tilas right in the center of the stitch. So in herringbone weave, you use 2 seed beads per stitch. You would just substitute 2 of the beads in the stitch for 1 tila or half tila. Again, they look so beautiful, all lined up together in stringing projects, especially tilas mixed with half tilas. This is a strand for a Helos clasp bracelet that is combined with chain. Half tilas themselves look really great all together too. This is just half tilas in alternating finishes. Also have some really great cymbal findings that work perfectly with tilas and half tilas. You can weave them right in alongside with your Tila beads. I used this wonderful cymbal finding in these cute little picnic blanket earrings, wove it right in, and then you've got that nice loop up there to add an ear wire. Here's a look at more of those cymbal findings. As you can see, the shape of the findings work perfectly with those square tilas, and you can just weave them right in there. A finding like this would be great for creating a staggered Tila and half Tila design. Got findings like this that mimic the Tila shape but also offer a loop for easily attaching a clasp or chain. You've got findings like this which make a really great edge piece for something like a bracelet. You can add this to the edge of your design, and then you could even add a little picot edge or even just a single bead between that finding for a really cool, almost scalloped look. You have findings like this which can give your Tila designs a really cool focal piece. This would look great at the center of a bracelet. Here's another great focal piece that works perfectly with tilas and half tilas. We've even got really nice little connectors that have findings that you can weave into your Tila designs on both sides. This would make a really great, almost like a spacer bar in your woven Tila designs. And once again, another little great connector piece with a loop that is the perfect width for tilas and half tilas. You could have a lot of fun with this one. Think of like a long bracelet with the tilas in the middle and the half tilas lining it. With these at the end, you can make just a really pretty and stylish bracelet. And of course, we have the metal cymbal finding Tila bead substitutes with all kinds of fun designs. You've got this really fun textured one, this kind of checkerboard one, and then this one with a little bezel that's perfect for a crystal flatback. So you could glue that right in, add some sparkle to your Tila designs. That would be really cool. And I did want to mention that all of these cymbal findings are available in multiple finishes to suit whatever style you're going for. All right, well, those are the essentials that you need to know to get started working with Tila beads and half Tila beads in your jewelry designs. These tutorials are available on our website with free instructions and a supplies list for how to make them. I have links to those in the video description. And of course, you can find Tilas and half Tilas in all kinds of beautiful colors, along with those cymbal findings that work with them in all kinds of different finishes on our website, artbeads.com. So make sure to shop those fun beads and get started adding them to your jewelry designs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and inspiring to you. Maybe you'll start using more Tila beads in your jewelry designs. Please leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions and what kind of beads you'd like to see explained next. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.